Good morning from the National Weather Service in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and for today's weather hazard briefing for Thursday, August 26, dry and warm conditions are continuing for the rest of the week, with a pattern change for Friday into Saturday. Some key points to focus on. Southwest flow is continuing for Thursday and the start of Friday, and those changing conditions associated for Friday is going to be a change in upper level flow from our southwest today, and towards the end of tomorrow, a more northwestern direction. We do have a lot of smoke in the area, and the Idaho Department of Environmental Quality does have an air quality alert in effect. A weak system Friday is expected, with little to no precipitation associated with it, but we could see breezy to locally windy conditions, especially across our valley locations, and we can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm in the eastern highlands. Here's a look at our current satellite loop. We have some mid to upper level clouds working their way through western and eastern Idaho this morning. And here's just a closer look at the region, just showing those fair weather clouds as they work their way through today, with clearing conditions, especially associated with that northwest flow into that remainder of Friday. Here's a look at our weather and impacts outlook matrix. Main concerns for today, Thursday, it's going to be mainly smoke in our valley locations and central mountains. And looking towards Friday, we do have some breezy, locally windy conditions associated with the passage of an upper level trough, with some isolated thunderstorms possible for the eastern highlands. The National Weather Service Riverton office does have a red flag warning in effect for southwest Wyoming, but for Pocatello this morning, we're not seeing any warnings or watches. Here's a look at some of the vertically integrated smoke in the region. To start off Thursday, we are going to see that southwest flow continuing, bringing with it a lot of the smoke back. And as far as looking towards the end of Thursday and into Friday, be seeing a slight shift in that upper level direction of flow. And that northwest flow is going to be bringing with it some clearing conditions for Friday and the start of the weekend. We had some lightning activity in the central mountains yesterday, but most of those strikes were contained up in Montana, with just those isolated thunderstorms right around Chalice. High temperatures today, generally in the 80s across the region. And for Friday, things cool off by a few degrees, with temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. With those cooling temperatures through Saturday, we are going to see a little bit of gustier winds across the Snake Plain, with around INL being around the windiest spot in the forecast area. For your weekend, expecting temperatures on Saturday to be in the mid to upper 70s. With Sunday, conditions are going to be warming by about 10 degrees. But as far as to start off your Saturday, we're currently expecting clear conditions with not as much smoke to work with. And for Monday, pretty similar to Sunday, to seeing those temperatures right around the mid to upper 80s. From the Climate Prediction Center, as far as looking at precipitation for the next week we are expecting, as far as forecasted here, above normal favored precipitation for our southeast corner of the state, but equal chances remain for the remainder of the area, with that monsoonal moisture flow expected to begin starting at that midweek time frame. Temperatures are going to be about normal for this time of year, with just a slightly above normal temperatures in our southeast corner of the state. Looking about 2 weeks out, about equal chances for precip, so starting off pretty normal conditions to start for September. And about 2 weeks out, temperatures look to be on the little bit of a warmer side, but still right around normal for that first week of September for southeast Idaho. And wrapping back up with some of our key points we wanted to focus on. So some southwest flow is continuing through Thursday and the start of Friday. Those changing conditions for Friday should hopefully bring some of that smoke out of the region. That weak system associated Friday, going to see some breezy to locally windy conditions. Not a whole lot of precipitation, but we can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm in the eastern highlands. And that wraps up today's weather briefing for Thursday, August 26th. My name is Carter. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us at our email, phone number, or check out some information on our website. I hope you all have an awesome day.